Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today is kind of exciting. I just got home from work and there was a delivery for me, and he's like, oh, it's from out of the country, and I'm thinking, out of the country? What the heck did I order now? And then I realized that when I went to London, can you see my sweatshirt? That when we went to London and we went to see Buckingham Palace, that we went into the gift shop there, and I was all like, I just wanted to buy everything, and we ended up buying ourselves a little tea set. Just 2 cups. We didn't even get the traditional saucer. We got just 2 cups and a teapot, and you'll see what we got. But I thought I'll unbox it for you guys and let's see what I got, because I'm so excited. So, okay, so excited. It came in this box with all this stuff that we have all over. Okay, so how should I do this? Let me put this on the floor. Okay, ooh, so exciting. Okay, so we couldn't decide. It like took me forever to decide which one to get, which pattern. Like, they were all so pretty, but my gut just kept telling me to go back to this one. And it was a little more money than we probably want to spend, but I didn't care. I'm just like, at the end of the day, you gotta get what you want, right? Like, I'm at Buckingham Palace gift shop. Come on. This is English fine bone china, made in England. Ooh, such a pretty box. So, let's open it up. Comes with another little card. Okay. Oh, so pretty! Look at how pretty. I'm so scared I'm gonna drop it. Look how pretty this is. And here's this Palace of Holyrood House. I hope I'm saying that right. It says that here. Isn't that gorgeous? That is beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, there's a thank you note. Oh, enjoy 15% off your next royal purchase, which I might actually buy a couple more teacups. Not right now, but I might. Oh, look at this big box. This is the teapot, so it will match the cup. Oh, have to be careful. I mean, it's just so elegant. The boxes alone, see, the box is just so pretty. So pretty. Sort of like it's not the Tiffany color, but it's just like beautiful blue. I don't want to drop it. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Here's the top. I guess it comes separate. I'll have to go digging in there, but look at, well, let me get the top. Oh, lid enclosed. It's so pretty. Here's the lid. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. Isn't that so pretty? I'm so excited. And you know, we're gonna use it because we are definitely going to use this, because I believe in using your stuff and not just displaying it. Like, use it, right? And I just can't wait. Is that not gorgeous or what? Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. I just fell in love with this pattern. Love it. Okay, so this must be the other teacup. Again, we were going to get the, you know, the typical saucer with the saucer, teacup and saucer, but in reality, we prefer a cup like this. So, yeah, I'm going to use this. We're going to drink more tea. I'm going to drink it out of this because I want to feel like I'm, you know what, you can't even hear me probably. We're going to get the typical cup and saucer, but this is more like what we would use. So we figured let's just get regular cups, and that's what we got. And isn't it just so pretty? Is that not like, I know I keep saying it, but it's just gorgeous. Okay, so of course you can't have a teapot without tea. So we got this Royal Collection, St. James Palace of London, it says, Windsor Castle, and these are a royal blend of 50 tea bags, and it matches the pattern. And I'm not done. We got cookies too. And these are just like Scottish, well, traditionally made Scottish shortbread selection, but it matches the whole pattern. And obviously you can keep this and we'll put other stuff in it, right? So that's exciting. And one more little thing I got to match the collection. I wasn't gonna get it. Actually, this was the first thing and the only thing I was gonna get. I'm like, oh, this is cute, you know, I'll just get that. And then we're like, should we just get the teapot? Why not? And then at the end, the collection's all together. My husband's like, get your little trinket. I'm like, what? You sure? So I got the little trinket too. That also matches. That's so pretty. So I could put like my rings in there, my everyday my little earrings. That's why I wanted it. Like I just wanted it for my studs and things because they're getting mixed now with my other jewelry. So I'm definitely using all of this. So that's it. How exciting. I want more. But it's plenty. That's it. Isn't this so pretty? I can't wait to use it. I'm so excited. That's my, that was our gift for us from London. Our gift to ourselves from our London trip. And again, this is, you know, right out of Buckingham Palace. And they shipped it to us. And it had to go through Windsor Castle before it got shipped to America. So this is royalty right here. Right here. La, la, la. I'm scared this is gonna fall off. But yeah. What a picture, like such classy tea and then my terrible New York accent, right? Okay, so that's it. So I hope you enjoyed my little unboxing as much as I did because I'm very excited. And yeah, that's it. So I have to tell my husband to come up and look at it all. But that's it. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you, London, for having us. We had a great time. And that's it. I think we're going to have some tea, although kind of hot right now. Maybe make some iced tea. Okay, well, till next time, have a good day.